Meanwhile, Bank of Korea Governor Rhee Chang-yong ends his term in office today. And ahead of his departure, he took time to share his thoughts about the country's monetary policy over the past 4 years as he navigated a global pandemic and dramatic political transitions. Our Kim Jun-hong reports.
Bank of Korea Governor Rhee Chang-yong wrapped up his 4-year term on Monday. Reflecting on the past years at a farewell ceremony, Rhee described his tenure as a period of unexpected shocks.
Over the past 4 years, a series of unexpected shocks has kept our economy under constant strain.
Rhee took office during the COVID-19 pandemic and went through a period of political transition, serving under 3 presidents in 4 years. As global inflation surged following the Russia-Ukraine war, he responded with 2 unprecedented big-step rate hikes of 0.5 percentage point each, pushing the benchmark rate to 3.5%. Aggressive rate hikes helped South Korea return inflation to the 2% target range ahead of many major economies, which Rhee cited as one of the most meaningful achievements of his tenure.
I'm proud we were able to bring inflation back to the 2% target range earlier than many major central banks.
Uncertainty continued even after that, both at home and abroad. From the martial law crisis to shifting U.S. trade policies and the outbreak of the U.S.-Iran war, the policy environment remained challenging. With rate cuts constrained by a weaker currency and inflation, and hikes limited by slowing growth, the Monetary Policy Board, led by Rhee, kept rates on hold at 2.5% for 11 months in a row. Despite criticism over the prolonged pause, Rhee told reporters that holding rates steady was also a deliberate policy choice. As a final message, he pointed to the limits of monetary and fiscal policy.
The influence of monetary and fiscal policy is diminishing amid structural changes in the economy, yet public expectations for policymakers remain high. This is widening the gap between the two.
This showed that policy measures alone are no longer sufficient to ensure economic stability and growth, highlighting the need for deeper structural reforms. The nominee for the next Bank of Korea Governor Kim Jun-hong is set to begin his term once confirmed by the National Assembly. With Middle East tensions raising inflation risks and keeping the Korean won volatile, Shin is expected to face a tough start. Kim Jun-hong, Arirang News.